Hi, my name is Janice Garceau, and I am the Director of Deschutes County Behavioral Health. And for those of you who might not know, we provide mental health and substance use disorder services to people who are struggling with a mental health or a substance condition. We provide those services to the whole Deschutes County area, and in some cases, even in Central Oregon to the region. And we've had quite a time, as you all have as well. We have had 8 going on 9 months now of dealing with a pandemic. And I'm here to tell you that we're tired, and we know that our community is tired as well. This has been a long haul. There's been an enormous amount of change and uncertainty that we've had to adapt to. And I've thought about that fatigue a lot lately because we are also in a moment where we're going to be called on to dig even deeper and really make an effort to do everything in our power to keep our community safe, our families safe, the people that we love safe. And we're being asked to do that right now because it's winter, because case counts are going up. And it's during a time when we're already tired. So this made me think a lot about my grandparents. These are people on both sides who lived through both the Depression and the Second World War. And yes, that ages me. But they had lots of stories that they told to me as a child growing up about those times. And one of the things I took away from that is that it was the times when they were the most disheartened and the most fatigued and sometimes hopeless, frankly, because one set lived in Europe, that they had to really dig deep into their stamina, their resolve, their heart for courage and reach for something really heroic in themselves. And I'm not saying that lightly. I know their stories. And I think we're at that place as a community where we have to ask ourselves, what do we want to say to our children and our grandchildren in 20 years about what we did to take care of each other in this really difficult season? For me, what that means is that I'm still wearing these things because I know that the science says it helps me protect you and it helps keep me protected. I'm also making some really hard decisions about the holidays this year. I am not going to go to Portland. I am not going to go to Indiana. I am not going to go out of the country, all places where I have family, because I don't want to take the chance that wanting to spend some holiday time with them exposes them to risk. While I know that I may be very low risk and I can circulate and not be quite as concerned as others, I can't imagine a scenario in which I brought this infection to people I love and they had a poor outcome. So we and our family are making a really hard call about not visiting and visiting in on cameras like this, which it ain't as satisfying, I'll be honest, but it's a tiny sacrifice when I think of the sacrifices people that have come before me have made. So my ask is that you join me, that this community joins me and that we come together and we make a real commitment to each other to get through the next 4 or 5 months, making some tough decisions to take care of each other. So thanks for considering my invitation. Happy holidays.